Well, this was the opening piece, a very popular melodious piece of Indian cinema, Chehra Hai Chand Khila Hai. And in the beginning, I would like to say that if you want PDF notes of this song, then PDF notes are available on my channel, and you can easily get it just as the top comment of this video in the comment section, and then you will get a link, and on that link you can easily proceed to the steps that how you can go and obtain the notes of this opening piece Chehra Hai Ya Chand Khila Hai. And in the beginning, I would like to request you to please like the video, share it among your friends, and subscribe the channel. There are a lot of videos that are waiting for you, so enjoy, and here we go with the piece. Well, friend, that was the whole piece. You can get the PDF just as the top comment. And in the end, I would like to request you to again please like the video, share it among your friends, and subscribe the channel. There are many videos waiting for you on my channel. Keep watching. Thank you very much.